Are we live? I think we are live. Just a sec. I think we are live. Okay. Alright, everyone. Welcome back to my stream. If you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to learn and build an AI agent using PERN stack and TypeScript. So if you enjoy my stream, do consider subscribing to this channel, and let's get started. Alright, so I first start my Postman. Collection events. Got it. Okay. Only agent node making users, everything is fine. And cd backend clear npm run dev. Alright, so backend is running. Suraj, okay, I'm the first one today. Yes, Suraj, you're the first one, and welcome to my stream, Suraj. How are you? So backend we have started src. First here I'll log in. सूरज लगता है मैच देख के फिर लाइव पे आए हो. हाँ, मैं मैच देख रहा था आज, इंडिया वर्सेस वेस्ट इंडीज. सो pg vector pg admin. Okay. pg admin is running. Okay, AI controller, agent controller. This is my agent controller. This is my agent. This is my this is my agent. This is my tool executor, and these are my tools. Okay. भूमि, हाय अभिषेक भाई, आज भी आउट हो गए. हेलो भूमि, वेलकम बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम. हाउ आर यू? Okay, so let's delete all the nodes. Delete, 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 delete. See, all the nodes have been deleted. All right, fine. So here now we will check. Done. Login user, agent, chat. Joker Phoenix. Hello Joker, welcome to my stream. Bhumi, doing great mate. Thank you. How are you? Bhumi is my wife. I am Srini. Hello Srini, welcome to my stream, and I'm good as well. How are you? राजा, हेलो भाई, लगता है मैच देख के आए हो आप भी. हाँ राजा, मैं मैच देख रहा था, इंडिया जीत गई तो मैं उसके बाद ही लाइव स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ. श्रीनी, यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट. थैंक्स श्रीनी, थैंक्स अ लॉट मैन. So we have logged in. Now after login, I'll say that I need to buy oranges. Create a note for that. Note created, buy oranges. This is done. Fine. Create the following notes. Go to wake up, at 5 a.m. Number 2, go to the gym. Number 3, read books. Fine. Read the following notes. I gave this command. Your notes has been created. Now, okay. So now if I come here, I have bought oranges. Mark it as completed. Marked by oranges to completed. Okay, let's see. This is by oranges and by oranges true. Okay, this is done. Fine. I woke up at 5 a.m. Mark it as completed. Completed. Okay. Fine. Can you give me the list of incomplete notes? Srini, Akash, incomplete notes. Go to the gym. Read books. Okay. Akash Dhingra. Hello, Akash. Welcome to my stream. Bhaiya, Prisma versus Rails. I like Prisma. I usually go for Prisma. Silent Eye. Hello, Silent Eye. Welcome to my stream. I'm good, Silent Eye. How are you? Okay, so okay, fine. Incomplete notes. Go to the gym and read books. Go to the read books. Okay, this is done. Now let's go for give me the list of completed notes. Orange. Okay, this is also done. Fine. Now remove the completed completed notes. Remove the completed notes. Let's see. All completed notes have been removed. All complete notes have been removed. Okay. Remove the incompleted notes. Remove the incompleted notes. Let's see. Okay, fine. All these tasks are working correctly. Cool. So this is done. So in my agent, I did this. Fine. Completion. No tools. Then complete. Okay. Silent Eye. Fine. I made a website project responsive. Watch website. Okay. Silent Eye. You can send the website link in my Instagram. I'll watch it after the stream. Okay. Max steps. Okay. Chart completion. This. Okay. Cons my completion. Function name. If executor. Tool executor. Tool registry. Tool name. Okay. We are calling the object. This one. We're calling the tools here. Okay. If no, okay, get result and await executor, and I'm passing the arguments. In executor user ID of all the arguments has search completed notes. Fine. Okay, fine. Okay, so this is done. This is done. So tools part is done. Now what we can do is let's do one thing. I need to check few things. Create the following notes. Meet friends, buy a new t-shirt, 3, do my homework. Fine. Sarah, do you have a Discord? Not yet. I've not created a Discord yet. Okay, we got this. Now, this for login user 2. Now, let's do for user 1. Now, I need to check one thing. User 1, user 1, user 1, login. Complete the social media app. Learn about AI agents. Play cricket. Number 4. Go to sleep early. Let's create these notes. Fine. Now if I come here, here in the notes part, if I come here, user ID, if hold on, user ID. Why is the user ID same? It should be different. Hold on. Why is the user ID same here? Just a sec. Can you give me the list of all users, all nodes, all nodes. Buy new t-shirt, do homework, complete sleep early. Hold on. User ID, user ID. Hold on, but here I logged in as user 1. So current nodes, meet friends, learn, buy a new t-shirt, meet friends, buy a new t-shirt. Okay, buy a new t-shirt, do homework, complete social media app, learn about AI agents, play cricket, go to sleep early is also there. Okay, so it is creating notes for it is okay, fine. What is happening here? My agent controller, what are we doing? User ID, request.user.id, and controller route. Where is my route? And my route, agent.route, verify JWT. I'm calling this, and send message schema. लोकेश, हाय ब्रो, हेलो लोकेश, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. क्या अभिषेक भाई, आज 2 कैचेस ड्रॉप किए आपने. Cozy lives. How much MongoDB you learned? I learned MongoDB, like I learned till aggregation pipelines. Yes, bro. What's up, man? Hello, yes, bro. Welcome to my stream. So, what are we doing here? Here I'm passing verify JWT. I'm getting this, and controller, agent controller. Here I'm getting the user ID, request.user.id, console.log user ID. Let me log in here. Valid credentials. Oh, got it. Test user 1. Test user 1 logged in. Here list of all nodes. Create the following notes. Number one, buy a new car. Number two, buy a new house. If I send these, now if I come here, where is it? Buy a new house. User ID is different. Okay, fine. Yeah, okay, correct only. There. Okay, so we can comment this part. So I think basic version is done. Now we can start building the front end. Okay, so I'll come. I'll create a new terminal. CD front end. So I'll come here. Where is it? Beat Cozy Life, bro. Are you using Zod? It makes validation easy instead of using TypeScript manually. I'm using Zod with TypeScript. Bharat Podar, PERN is better than MERN. It depends on the use case, what kind of application you're building. Tyler, how much money have you spent on API keys till now? Just $5, around $5. Za, hello bro. Why always late night live? Za, because like late nights, I don't have anything to do. So I can just relax and feed my curiosity, learn new things, no distractions. So that's why I usually just have these live streams at night. Introduction. There we go. Read latest. Copy. React. TypeScript plus React compiler. Use read 8 beta. Install npm and start now. Yes. Anirudh Gamer. Hi. Hi Anirudh Gamer. Welcome to my stream. ZWow. Hello ZWow. Welcome to my stream. Bro, how to learn deployment like AWS render? Basically, if you want to learn deployment, you need to learn about VPS. If you learn how to deploy a modern application on VPS, then you can work with anything. So for that, learn about Linux, learn about GitHub, then learn Docker. Learn these three things. Piyush, PERN full form. Piyush, PERN stands for Postgres, Express, React, and Node. Mishraji Gaming, India won, bro. Yeah, Mishraji, I was watching the match. Okay. 7-3. Now ShadCN. I'll be using ShadCN here. Started. I'm using React, not Next.js. Beat. This is done. TailwindCSS and Tailwind. Okay. What's this? npm install TailwindCSS, TailwindCSS Beat. It's getting installed here. Okay, so we did this installation done. Then index.css, src index.css, remove all of this and we'll import. Just copy this here and paste it here. Import tailwind css. Edit tsconfig file.json. tsconfig file dot tsconfig file.json. Files references. After this we'll have this thing here. Okay, copy this, paste it here. Tsconfig done. This is done. Then edit tsconfig.app.json file. Hold on, this was tsconfig.json and tsconfig app.json. Okay. Here the following compiler options. Compiler options, base URL, this compiler option, base URL, paths. Okay, this is also done. Did git config. Okay, just clear. And read config.ts, read config.ts. Add these two things. Plugins, React, React and CSS. Just a sec, guys. I need to take. Hold on. I'll be back in few minutes. Just a sec. How to show? Where was it? 5 minute break. Just a sec. I'll be back. Alright, guys, I'm back. Za, you need a good sleep, bro, for good health. Yeah, Za, I know, but yeah, I'll think about that. Rajesh, these are ChatGPT APIs. Are they free? No, Rajesh, they are not free. Varad Poddar, I will suggest VS Code theme for late night coders. That is pitch black theme. Okay, Varad. Pharonix, average view in the every stream is 1K is pretty good in starting and coding line. Okay, thank you, Pharonix. Piyush, PERN full stack is Postgres, Express, React, and Node. Just once use pitch black theme. Okay. Cozy life. Can you guide me how uh, you learned ShadCN? I learned ShadCN by building components and using in my React. See, UI libraries are very like, or most of the UI libraries are quite similar. Anirudh, I can build your front end. Would you like me to? Anirudh, actually, with this project, I'm trying to learn also, so I will be building it myself. Piyush, which theme are you using in VS Code? This is great. This theme is called Catpuccino, and one of the viewer only told me about this theme. Domain liya previous project. No, for next, I did not buy the domain yet. You can use Control Shift plus P to find the files quickly instead of searching them manually in the directory section. Just a quick tip. Okay, thank you, Leo, and welcome to my stream. Daksh Sharma, hey, I'm back. Hello, Daksh, welcome back to my stream. Vatsal, hello, Vatsal, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. धैर्य कहाँ गया था ब्रो? ब्रो मैं नीचे गया था, वो मम्मी बुला रही थी तो उसके लिए मुझे जाना पड़ा. ओके so after this React plugin, I'll type here tailwind CSS like this, then tailwind CSS like this. Then we'll also need, after plugins, we'll have this resolve part. This okay, this resolve part I can copy it from here. Resolve, I'll put it here. Okay, this is done. Run CLI and command to set up a project. Okay, now we need to install ShadCN in it. Let's see what we get. Yeah, I'll take slate. Leo, try out the horizontal italics theme. Okay, how is that theme? Horizontal italics. Where is that theme? Horizontal italics. Where is that theme? Pitch black theme. Okay, let's see. Black theme or pitch black theme, which is pitch black theme. Pitch black. Let's see how it looks. Let's try. Let's see how it looks. Pitch black theme. Which theme are you using in VS Code? I'm using a theme called Catpuccino. Leo, bought horizontal. I said horizon under the chosen horizon italics. Where? Which one? Pitch black. How it looks? It looks bad. It looks bad. I do not like it. Okay. Themes, color themes. Catpuccino latte, mocha. I think it was frappe. I think it was mocha. Okay. Okay. No, you did wrong. Which one? Pitch black. This one. Search Horizon and install the one by Alexander. Okay, and Bharat Poddar. Which one? This one. Pitch black by Victor Warford. this one. Install. See how it looks. It is installing. Aura theme is also good. Okay. After this, I'll try Horizon. Let's see if it gets installed in time. Okay, pitch black. Let's see the code. Do let me know how it looks. I'm a bit skeptical. Let's see a bit of code here. AI agent code. This looks a bit basic. Okay. Now let's try Horizon. Horizon. Horizon by Alexander. Or Horizon by Alexander. Okay, this one. Horizon theme. Horizon. Horizon bold. I think bright, bold, bright, italic. Horizon italic. Okay. I think this one. It looks a bit interesting. Okay. This looks a bit interesting. Now I have tried Night Owl. Aura theme. Let's give Aura, Aura theme. Let's give it a shot. Lokesh, damn, my tweet got 83K views. What was your tweet about? Vatsal. Okay. Soft text, aura soft dark, soft text, aura dark here, and I. Okay, this looks a bit different. Okay. I like Cappuccino only. Cappuccino. Themes, color theme, Cappuccino mocha. Fine, this is done. Okay, so we were doing this ts config. Okay, after this, this is done. Let's add a button component. Add button. So there should be a components folder created. Updating files. Components created. Okay, clear. Now here we do npm run dev. We did this. Now in npm run dev. Now if I come here, it looks like this now. And ts config. Okay, everything is configured. Close this, and in our src app.tsx, remove this, and rafce app. Okay, here we're doing this. Fine. In app.tsx, we'll say hello world. It looks like this. It looks like this. Hello world. वत्सल, कभी कभी तो 2 आवर सिर्फ थीम देखने में निकल जाते हैं. ट्रू. Colors are saturated. Okay. Joker Phoenix. Then try just black theme by Noor. Okay. Let's see. Where is it? Black. Noor. Noor. Any Noor here? Okay. Just black theme by Noor. How it looks? It looks interesting. Let's give it a shot. Fine. Close this here, and let me see my code. src ai agent code. How it looks, guys? It looks too colorful. It looks too colorful. Maybe later, when I get bored with cappuccino, then I'll come here. Cappuccino mocha. Okay, fine. Now no more theme trying. Let's get back to code. About Sanju Samson. Okay. Leo. The one which I gave was the best, probably. Lama. Okay. This is done. Close this. Let's see if we got button me. Let's see. Let me variant danger destructive, I think. Yeah, okay. Okay, fine. So ShadCN is installed properly. Fine. So how should the UI look like? So how should a UI look like? Okay. Let's design UI with just the UI design. Let's go to V0. So how should the application flow look like? Fine, we'll have a login page. We'll have a login page. Not this. We'll have a login form. Form, password. Similarly, we'll have the register page, and we'll have the form. Then we'll have name, all those detail, email, password, and register. Fine. Then we'll have the dashboard page. This will be my dashboard. Fine. Then how should this dashboard look like? Basically, it's an AI chatbot, right? So here I'll have this notes should be clean. Let's just keep it like this. Here we'll have a line here. We'll have a line. We'll have a line here. Of course, we'll have a line here. This line here. We'll have a nav bar as well. We'll have a nav bar here. Nav bar here. A nav bar here. I will have the chat. Just type your message command to the bot. Here we'll have type your what can I do for you. We'll add this here. Then here the user can type, and here we'll have a button. A button, this something like this. A button to send the text. Button to send the text. And here, if the note will get the created notes. Have the created notes. Notes. We'll have the notes. We'll have the notes. We'll have the notes here. Inside each note, there will be content. Inside note, content is completed. Okay. I'll have the, where is it? Here. Inside each note. Piyush, how can I type fast as you? Piyush, it all comes with practice. Basically, I built projects, so that's why my typing speed got increased automatically. Anirudh Gamer, can you try this VS Code Pet? Can you try this VS Code Pet? Okay. I'll try this a bit later. Swamim Dubey. Hello, sir. Hello, Swamim. Welcome to my stream. Joker Phoenix, navbar, notes section, chat section. Okay. Uh, Manna, are you working on a student? I'm trying to build my own SaaS and startup. Dheeraj Shinde. Hello, Dheeraj. Welcome to my stream. Hey, in recent days, I have some web app ideas, but when I try to create it and do little searching, I found out that same ideas projects are available there, and then mind goes in deep search again. See, Dheeraj, obviously, like projects will exist, same projects can exist, but you don't have to reinvent the wheel. What you can do is that you can build something similar, but you can add something extra or you can improve something that people are already doing. That you can do. Code with Abhay. Hello, Code with Abhay. Welcome to my stream. Hi, bro. Have you started with building AI agent? Yes, backend part is done. So now from today, I'm starting the front end part. Ethereum. Hello, Ethereum. Welcome to my stream. I saw your social media app. It's awesome. When you will connect domain to that IP? Ethereum, I'll connect the domain in a few days. And thanks a lot, man. Ethereum, which VPS you are using? Ethereum is using Cloudinary. Oh, sorry, VPS. I'm using DigitalOcean VPS. Vatsal, create the design using Stitch. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's give. Hold on, hold on. So here we'll have the content. I'll have the content, then created at, created at, it will have the date, and here we'll have last updated. Hold on, true false. Then here I'll have the last updated part, last updated at, something like this. I'll have something like pending, yes or no. I'll have something like pending. I have something like pending here also, or we can make it a bit larger. I can add pending here. I can add this pending here, and here it will have a tick mark, a checkbox if it is marked completed. Pending, yes. Okay, it's complete. Pending. Okay, if it is pending, yes. Okay, pending. I can have here yes or no. Hold on, not this. This. I can have here pending yes or no. I can have something like this here. Pending yes or no. And here I can have the logo, and here I'll have the logout button, a simple logout button. Have the simple logout button. Can do this. Okay, fine, there we go. Close this. Or I can do one thing is I can go to GPT. Where is my GPT? This is my GPT. Okay. Or if Swamim Dubey, what is this new project about? Swamim, this is an AI agent that I'm trying to build, a note making AI agent. APDM, I saw your social media. Okay. धैर्य ASMR दे दे. Okay. Fine. लोकेश कोड पार्ट हो गया क्या? Yes. Okay. Code with Abhay. Hey bro, can you tell me like difference between TypeScript and React? How many days will it take to learn TypeScript if anyone is good in at React? See, basically, TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. So if you want to learn TypeScript, first your first goal should be to master JavaScript, then master React with JavaScript, and then you can use TypeScript, learn about TypeScript, and then use TypeScript in React. Ethereum, AWS would be good, right, for servers. It depends. Like, you know, basically DigitalOcean and AWS and Azure, they are doing the same thing. So even if you use AWS EC2, there also you will get the VPS only, and you can deploy your application. Same process, and hosting are also same process. Tyler, will you deploy this app like the social media one to use with credits? Tyler, not right now. I'll not deploy this application. This is for my own learning for AI agent. I wanted to learn about AI agents, so I won't deploy this application. This is for my own learning. So yeah, there ASMR. No, Phoenix. What VPS do? VPS is used to host your application in a virtual private server. Basically, you get a dedicated machine, cloud machine, where you can use it as your own server. And yeah, what's else? Create the design using Stitch for a clean and better layout. Okay. Ethereum. Okay. Dheeraj Shinde. Okay, noted. Okay. Mehul Pathak. Hi. Hello, Mehul. Welcome to my stream. Anirudh Gamer. Please download it first. It will only take up 1 or 2 seconds. What are you telling me to download? Pheronix. Anything will work here. GCP Cloud. Okay. Nikhil Garg. Hello, Nikhil. Welcome to my stream. How many years of experience you have? I have 1 year of working experience and I have also experience of freelancing as well. Nishant, are you a freelancer? Yes, Nishant, I'm a freelancer. And I'm also trying to build my own startup. So let's do one thing. This is my code. This is my backend code. Build a simple HTML, CSS code of a AI agent note making application. The user will tell command, tell what needs to be done, and then the agent creates, updates, mark completed, and deletes the note. HTML CSS code. Fine, deletes the note. The code should be clean and it should look like a SaaS, like a clean and professional SaaS. Use Tailwind CSS. Okay. Single file. Fine. Okay. Can you try this VS Code Pet? Okay. Where is VS Code Pet? What is VS Code? Let's see. VS Code Pet. What is this? What is VS Code Pet? Pets for VS Code. Okay. Install. Let's try this. What happens with this? Pheronix Fiverr account. I don't use Fiverr. Ujjwal Nandi. Hello bro. Hello Ujjwal Nandi. Welcome to my stream. Ethereum. Don't use ChatGPT. Use CI like Open Claude or Claude Code. Actually, the thing is that with this application, I'm trying to learn also how to build AI agents. And before my main goal is to build my own SaaS, right? So before I do that, I need to learn a few things. So that's why I'm not using intense AI IDs. Nishant, why not using Claude? Actually, I am saving Claude for the best part. For example, if an error is not solved by GPT, then I use Claude. Use Claude, okay. Pheronix, give us same prompt of your problem in GPT and Claude and see which is giving best solution. Okay. अब है आप मॉडर्न एप्लीकेशन को कैसे डिप्लॉय करते हो? मैम मॉडर्न एप्लीकेशन को पहले डॉकराइज करता हूँ, फिर डॉकराइज करके फ्रंट एंड मैं सबसे पहले 3 कंटेनर बनाता हूँ, एक बैकएंड के लिए, एक डेटाबेस के लिए, अगर रेडिस करो तो एक रेडिस के लिए कंटेनर बनेगा, और एक फिर उसके बाद एनजीनिक्स के लिए कंटेनर बनता है और एनजीनिक्स ही फ्रंट एंड को रेंडर करता है, ठीक है। तो पहले आपका रिक्वेस्ट एनजीनिक्स के पास आता है, फिर एनजीनिक्स से रिवर्स प्रॉक्सी होकर वो फ्रंट एंड के पास जाता है, ठीक है, index.html फाइल बेसिकली। सो पहले मैं ये प्रोसेस करता हूँ, फिर मैं एक वीपीएस लेता हूँ, डिजिटल ओशन का वीपीएस लेता हूँ, फिर वहाँ पे अपने कंटेनर को डिप्लॉय करता हूँ। उसके बाद सिंपल इमेज को बिल्ड करता हूँ, स्टार्ट करता हूँ, हो गया डिप्लॉय। It will add pet to your VS Code. Okay, how to do? I installed it, but how to? Okay, VS Code pet. How can I use it? What can it do? What can it do? Cat, bunny, chicken, crab. Let's add a dog. Brown, penny. Okay, fine. Added this. Kakashi, did you buy the open slot key? What is open slot? Nishant, have you purchased premium plan for GPT or Cloud? No, I have not purchased any plan. Rajesh Shekhar, hello Raja, Shekhar, welcome to my stream. Resources you learned from, I learned from YouTube. There's a channel called Chai Code YouTube channel. I learned everything from there. Piyush, please try jellyfish theme. I have actually tried jellyfish theme already. So this is the, now let's close this. It is distract. Okay, fine. How the agent works, create, okay. Let's copy this code and create a simple reference file. I can create here index, I can create a new folder here, ref, and inside this we'll have index.html, and I will paste this code. Any issue? Now I can use live server here. Let's see how it looks. Okay, your notes. Okay, no. I want the chat to be at the bottom. Oh, AI agent channel friends at the bottom like GPT linear. Okay. Fine. This is not a good go to gym. Where is the note? Create gym. Something like, okay, gym. Fine, not like this. Update gym. Okay, this is a rough idea, but it will not be so simple. Let's see. Kakashi, OpenAI key. Yes, I have purchased OpenAI key. फिर नेक्स्ट, हाउ इज़ द कैमरा ऑफ लैपटॉप सो गुड? मेरे तो आधार कार्ड जैसे फ़ोटो आता है लैपटॉप में। आई डोंट नो, मैं लैपटॉप को रोज़ सुबह उठ के साफ़ करता हूँ लाइक नॉर्मल कपड़े से, और यहाँ पे एक लाइट भी है, उसके वजह से शायद अच्छा लग रहा होगा। दीपक खंडपाल, हेलो ब्रो, गुड नाइट। आज हेल्थ सही नहीं है भाई, क्या हो गया दीपक? व्हाट हैपन टू योर हेल्थ ब्रो? आदित्य, क्या बना रहे हो भाई? मैं एक AI एजेंट टूल, नोट मेकिंग AI एजेंट बना रहा हूँ। कॉपी दिस, रिप्लेस दिस फाइल. Okay, now let's see. I'll come here, remove this, add this. Now if we come, okay, it looks like this. Okay, not here. Make it dark themed only. Make it clean and make it look like a good and professional SaaS. Clean premium SaaS linear version Notion AI vibe. Fine. Production quality UI structure. So basically what I'll do is that this will be my reference, right? This design will be my reference, and then here I'll try to make it like that only. So basically this is what I do if I don't have any design idea in my head. आदित्य क्या बना रहे हो भाई? आदित्य मैं एक सोशल मीडिया मैं सोशल मीडिया नहीं एक्चुअली क्या बोलते हैं, एक एआई एजेंट बना रहा हूँ। नोट में एआई एजेंट। निशांत गोपी बहू की तरह धो देते हो क्या? नहीं उतना नहीं, वैसे तो नहीं धोता हूँ। प्रियांशु करके अपडेट। प्रियांशु बैकएंड इज डन, सो टुडे वी आर वर्किंग ऑन द फ्रंट एंड of this application. Oh, where is it? Okay, smooth over experience. Okay, now if I come here and if I just replace this file, now if I come here, let's see how it looks. It looks a bit better. Okay, create a note for gym. Let's see what it builds. A note for gym. Okay. uh Okay, fine. Create a note. Create wake up at 6 a.m. This is my reference style. This is not the final product. Don't worry, guys. This then create read books. I want the notes to look like a card, and notes should be in a grid. In a grid. Okay, fine. We can do this. Yeah, instead of making it entirely like this. Fine. Deepak Kanpal. ब्रो हेडेक हो रहा है, आई थिंक गैस प्रॉब्लम। ओके, कल मिलता हूँ ब्रो। गुड नाइट दीपक, एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ ब्रदर, टेक रेस्ट। निशांत, वेर आर यू फ्रॉम? निशांत, आई एम फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल, इंडिया। Anirudh Gamer, can you use anti-gravity? Anirudh, later when I start building my SaaS, then I'll use anti-gravity, not now. Okay, so there we go. Let's see how it looks. Come here. Create wake up at 5 a.m. Send. This looks better. Okay. Yeah, this looks better. Now, okay, there we go. Fine. Create go to gym. Create complete create learn about AI agents. Send. One more note. Create buy a new car. Okay, yeah, let's see if if we have lots of nodes, then how will it look? Fine. There we go. Then AI agent nodes. Okay, fix your code. Use anti. Okay, Nishant, are you not using cursor AI tool? No, Nishant, I'm just using a VS code. I'm not using cursor. See, I use AI just for debugging part and front end design, and only for learning. I'm not yet dependent entirely on AI tools, because my goal is to build my own SaaS. And if in future, depending entirely on AI for writing the code is fine only, but you need to understand the code. So right now I'm trying to build my understanding of the code. Pheronix 4000 hours complete हुआ नहीं? One more. Then create read books. Create start your SaaS. Create meet your friends. We got the hover. We'll style this hover also. Then after this we'll have this looks better. Create okay, then delete. Actually will not have this delete button. We'll just have the command. Well, I can have the delete button manually also. Okay, create complete your homework, create meet complete your homework, create learn PERN stack, create buy a new house. Fine, so it looks like this. Fine, this is fine only, but in Node can use this as a reference. Let's take a screenshot. Let's take a screenshot of this entire design. I'll keep a screenshot. It looks like this. Fine. Okay, we have this code. We have this code here. Fine. Okay, so this is done. This reference is done. Now we'll come to front end src. Now create a login page inspired from this theme. Okay. Hello, welcome to my stream. What do you think about as Anthropic CEO says coding will die in the next 6 months? It will not die, like it will become very easy to learn code. Joker Phoenix, at the end of the stream, try one Dark Pro theme by Binary Phi. Okay, Joker, I'll try that. Login here, close this, close front end. Ref, let's create this login.html and try this code, and let's try this live AI agent. Okay, fine, it looks like this. This looks really good. Fine, we'll come here, this is the reference. Now src app, src will create pages folder. We have the components folder, we have the pages app. We need to install npm I react router DOM, npm run dev, and we have in pages, we'll have new file. I'll have register page.tsx rafce. We have the register page here. Then we'll have the login page.tsx rafce. We have the login register, and then we'll have the dashboard page. Dashboard page.tsx rafce. This is done. Dashboard page.tsx. This is done. Okay, so we have all these pages, and then first thing is in my main.tsx I'll have the import browser router. Then I'll wrap the entire app browser router. Have this browser router, and inside this app we have all of these things. Remove this, and we'll come here with routes Then we have route, path slash element should be, what should be the element here? Dashboard page, path, route. Okay, we have this, then we have this, then we have this. Here in the register page, I'll have the register page, I'll have the register page. Then here in the login page, we'll have the login page. Fine. Now here it's loading. It should register slash login slash register slash login. This is also done. Hold on. And here we got the current user, everything also. This is done. Now we can just remove this for now. And I also need to install React Redux. Hold on. So first thing is close this, close all of this. Sam, hello bhaiya, hello Sam, welcome to my stream. So this is my front end, src pages. Now we'll come here. Now the magic begins. I am giving you an index.html code. Your job is to, hold on. Okay. Okay, login page. I'm giving an HTML code. Your job is to convert it into a React code, React component. Okay, fine. I'm giving HTML. Your job is to convert it to a React component called loginpage.tsx, and also use ShadCN styling. This is the index dot not index. Login HTML. This is my login dot. This is the login dot HTML. This is the, where is the login dot HTML? Reference login. My login. Copy this. Let's see what we get. Perfect conversion into a production TypeScript components. TailwindCSS. We have glass power by aesthetic. Let's see how it looks. Login button. Okay. Fine. Copy this. Then here my front end src pages register login page. We'll have lots of errors first. Okay. Page, login page, components. Okay, we have to install few things. Close this. ShadCN components. Here, for example, if you have accordion, how to install. This here will get the card. Fine. Then we'll have the input. Sam, bro, it's a marketing game. What is marketing game? Okay, अमन कोहली से भाई तुम्हारा पोर्टफोलियो दिखाना. अमन मैंने अपना पोर्टफोलियो बनाया ही नहीं अभी तक. Add input. Then we'll have add check box. Business purpose. Hello, business purpose. Welcome to my stream. Use glasses and build something with Nest.js, bro. Okay, I'll try. This is done. Then we'll also install label. Label, add label. Clear. No any errors. Fine. We'll fix all of this. We'll break it in components also. npm run dev. Now if I come here, login. Let's see how it looks. No. Okay. Sign in to your workspace. Sign in to your workspace. Okay. Fine. This login with Google I need to remove. Remember me. Remove. Forgot password. Remove. Already have an account. Don't have an account. Okay. Fine. So here and here, here and here. Okay. This is looking a bit better. So first here I'll use AI agent nodes. Notar AI. Let's name this Notar AI. So here we have this text gray here, here. Oh yeah. Let's use this text here. This looks better. AI agent nodes will make this Notar AI. Welcome Notar AI. Sign into your workspace. Email. Fine. First sign into your workspace, and all of this will have this text grade 200. Email input. Last name will add this. Yeah, I got this. And in password also will have that. Password input tag. Password tag will have this. It looks like this. We don't need this remember me part. Remove this remember me. Remove this forgot password because I'm not doing that. Forgot password. Like this. Sign in. Theme looks great. Business. Hello business. When can I expect a backend system in Nest.js? I will hit subscribe button and notification bell for that Nest.js. Actually, business purpose. The my goal is to build my own SaaS and startup, and I will be, I think, sticking with Next.js or MERN stack. Right now, I will not be learning Nest.js, so I don't know when I'll start learning Nest.js. So yeah, and remove this or part. We can keep this login button, but it's looking. It will. Let's remove this login button. This login button or don't have an account. Sign in. There we go. Sign in. Make the cursor pointer. or sign in cursor pointer. Here we'll have cursor pointer. We got this here. Sign in or don't have an account, create one, and this will take me to the and here it should take me to link, and it should be link, and instead of href it should be 2 / register, create one. Yeah, okay, so there we go, and I can just copy this entire thing and go to register page. I'll copy this entire thing and I'll go to register page, I'll paste it here, and I'll call it register page. Register page, have this register page here. Also export, am I exporting? Export default function. RAFC function, this will not be default. Const this here, closing this, export default register page. Same with copy this. Here we'll have copy this, make it login page, and here we'll export default login page. Done, got this, create one. Okay, sign in to your account, and in register we should say in register page, remove this login page. Where is it? Remove this, register page also remove this. सैम भैया जावा वीएस कोड में अच्छा से कैसे चाहिए? भैया जावा वर्सेस कोड में जावा वीएस कोड अच्छे से कैसे चाहिए? सैम कैन यू एक्सप्लेन? ट्रबल शूटर सर जी, एक्सप्रेस से नेस्ट जेएस बेटर है। आप चैट जीपीटी से टेक्स्ट टैग मत पूछो, एक्सप्रेस ही बोलेगा वो। ओके, मैं फ्यूचर में देखता हूँ नेस्ट जेएस कब सीखूँ। वत्सल, चैट जीपीटी तो हर बात पे ही बोलेगा। वो भी है। जोकर फिनिक्स, क्विक टिप, ट्राई प्रिटी प्रॉम्प्ट क्रोम एक्सटेंशन, इट विल इम्प्रूव योर प्रॉम्प्ट्स। ओके, there we go. Okay, here we are doing, we need to make some, sign into your account, create your account. We can say create your account, create your account. And in my login part, what am I taking? Register part, register user, what am I taking? Name, email, password. Okay, so here we are also taking name in this email. Here I'll just copy this and I'll put it here. Okay, I'll put it here, I'll put a comment here for name part. This will be name, this will type text, enter your name, and here we should have a name field. Let's not do these things now, remove these functions, and I will do this later. Here handle submit, just remove this for now. Remove this also, because we'll be using Zod here and React hook form. password. Remove this. Now what? Don't have an account. Name part. Now I have name. Okay. So but here we have the name. Okay, we'll fix all of this. Create one. Already have an account. Already have an account. Slash login. Here I can say register. Already have an account. Oh, not here. Login, or I can say sign in. And here this button I'll say register. This will be register button. Fine. This. Okay. Fine. Okay. Sam, Java VS कोड अच्छे से रन नहीं कर रहा है. You need to install JDK, and JDK you have to configure it, and you need to set the path also. Like make sure you set the JDK path in your system. Vatsal, install JDK. Okay. Okay. Ayush Suman. Hi Abhishek, how are you doing? Hello Ayush, welcome to my stream. Okay, it's required to run Java. Okay, Joker finishes the Java extension pack is VS Code extension pack. It's okay. Himanshu, hello Himanshu, welcome to my stream. Hi, is it okay if I'm taking I'm the project is an end-to-end one, and I'm already AI only to copy pasting. I'm using AI only to learn and not copy. Yeah, that is great, Himanshu. You can do that. It's see, good level projects take 30 to 40 days. Only Nikhil, भाई क्या बना रहे हो? Only Nikhil, I'm trying to build an AI agent using PERN stack and TypeScript. So this is done. This is done. Hold on. This is done. Now we can also create. Where is it? Vatsal, 40 days. Yeah, 40 days. It takes good. If you are building an end-to-end good level project, it takes a good amount of time. We did this. Fine. Where is it? Checkbox here. This is done. We'll remove all of this entire thing from here. We don't need it now. Here also remove this. Remove this. Remove this. Remove this. This also. Enter your email. Okay, we have error here. Fine, we'll fix all of this. Remove this. Remove this. Fine. Noter AI. This Noter AI creator account. Sign into your workspace. Now let's create the dashboard. Now I will give you a dashboard code You need to match the theme, the theme and the styling with the login that you created. Use ShadCN. Needed. Your job is to create a component called dashboard page.tsx. This is the HTML code. हर कोई चाहे मुझसे मिलना अकेला इसको भी देखूं. Lokesh, I wanna make something for movie lovers, bro, like Letterboxd, but mix of Instagram, Twitter, where we can share movie clips and review movies and log movies or write a diary. Okay, yeah, that's nice. You can build that. Wokinova, hi, bye, good night. Hi, Wokinova, good night, brother. Himanshu. Like, I'll be making the project alongside with managing with exams and a bit of DSA too. Yeah, that's completely fine. See, one good level of project can teach you a lot. Kullu plays, bro. I thought the Claude code was free, but it's not. Yeah, it's not. Claude code is not. It requires at least $17 to $20 to use per month. Yes, Raj. Hello, man. What's up? I hope you're doing good. Hello, yes, Raj. Welcome back to my stream, brother. I'm fine. How are you? Himanshu, bro. Also, how much AI are you using for front end? As you can see, I'm using AI just to generate the skeleton, and then I'm using AI for the styling also. But we'll be writing the logic on our own. Kesh, damn, bro is super talent. Bro can code. Bro can play cricket. Bro can sing too. Thanks, Lokesh. Kullu Play, what type of tools are you using right now? I'm using just chat GPT chat version, like this normal thing only. This GPT chat and normal VS Code without any AI extensions. That's it. So here SRC pages, dashboard page. Remove this, add this. We had this thing. Now just a sec. Instead of const const dashboard page equals export alt like this. Fine. Now we'll fine tune it. Like fine tune in the sense we'll first make these set. Let's see if it's working. Create gym. Create go to gym. Let's see. Okay, fine. It looks. We have to fix it. Have to fix these things. Okay. Kullu plays. And is there any free tools for making AI agents? I'm using just OpenAI API key, and everything else is free only. Only Nikhil bhai Amazon क्यों use करो? What is Amazon Q? Kulu plays. If so, suggest me some. Okay, Lokesh. Cursor is good too. Yeah, Kulu plays. And are you using anti-gravity or not, mate? I'm not using anti-gravity. I'm using normal VS Code now. Jeel. Hello, Jeel. Welcome to my stream. What type of agent are you making? I'm making a simple note-making AI agent. So there we go. We can find. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let's remove the unnecessary things now, like all those logic things. There we go. There input button. This have these things: main, div, notes. No notes yet. Okay. Now keep this. Remove this part. Remove this part. Remove this part. Remove this thing. See how it looks. Okay, it's like this. Now AI agent, this will be Noter AI. Where is it? This will be Noter AI and this will be a component, not here. Noter AI, Noter AI, and notes. No notes yet. Ask the agent to create one. Okay, this, and here we can have the intelligent. We can have the logout button. I'll have the button logout variant destructive logout and class name cursor pointer. Fine, this looks better. And okay, now it looks like okay. Now let's not make it red, let's keep it. What is the default version? What is the default? Let's see how the default version looks. It looks like this, not like this. Okay, button, let's see what are the variants we can use in button. Variant default, default variants destructive, default outline, secondary, ghost link. Outline, secondary, ghost link. Okay, let's see. In variant, let's see, outline. Now it looks like this. Text gray 200 and text gray 900. This looks better and fine. Now we have to break it in components. Himanshu, also tech stack I'm using is Next.js, Node, Express, MongoDB, and Grok for AI. Oh, that's nice, Himanshu. All the best with the project. Lokesh B. Cursor, best daily ID, VS Code like Easy Start, Cloud Code, deep reasoning and debugging codex, strong for large code, genetic anti-gravity, agent first parallel workflows. Okay, Lokesh. Thanks. Anuj Gupta. Best, does OpenAI API key costs money? Yeah, it costs money. You need to take at least $5. Kullu plays, is that free or sub GPT mate? I'm using OpenAI LLM key, API key, so it's a $5 API, and depends on the usage. You might need to pay more. Only Nikhil. मेरे दोस्त ने फ्रंट एंड एंड बैक एंड बनाया पूरा Amazon क्यू यूज़ करके AI है. Okay, that's nice. Panshu, I'm writing the backend completely by myself, and for frontend, I'll write logic myself and use AI for styling and UX. See, this is the correct flow, Himanshu. You're on the right track. Just keep doing this. Fine. This looks like this. Notar AI. Log out. So basically, we'll have this, and after logging, but I need this color. I want it to be like this. Fine. Let's grab this button. Not here. In my login, we have this button class name. Copy this class name. Come to dashboard and input. Not input. In the button, add this. Let's see. Go to dash. Go here. Not this. Not width full. Remove width full. Fine. Okay, it looks like this only. Send. Is it mobile responsive? Yeah, it is mobile responsive. Very good. That's great. And if I go to slash login, is it mobile responsive? Yeah. Hold on. But for my mobile, okay, go to log. Okay, hold on. See, this is I want this kind of background. So this is my login page. Login page. Background div. This inset. If I copy this here, how will it look? This div. Copy this dashboard page. This is in navbar. Come here, where's my auto? I'll add this. How will it look? Go here. Okay. This we get this overflow hidden. Add this absolute. Remove absolute. What happens? Yeah, remove absolute. Fine. Overflow hidden. Remove this overflow hidden. How it looks? Nothing changes here. If I come here, it looks like this. Fine. Now if I bg radial gradient, okay, there we go. Now this is my notes, okay, but here, okay, this looks better. And this localhost 5173. If I come here in my slash login page, you're getting this. Create one, sign in, okay. अंकित आई एम बैक बट आज लेट हो गया. या अंकित एक्चुअली मैं लेट से ही स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट किया. ज़्यादा देर हुआ भी, लाइक 11 बजे मैंने स्टार्ट किया है. तो या मैच देख रहा था बेसिकली मैं. तो उससे उसकी वजह से मैं लेट हो गया. वी डिड दिस. नाउ लेट्स break this into components, right? So we have the front end, we have src, we have components. Let's create the general components that I might use. General, here we'll create the navbar.tsx dashboard page. Copy this thing, cut it from here, copy this thing. Where is it? Navbar. This is my navbar. RAFCE navbar. Copy and paste it here. Last name, header. This button. Fine. And here I can add this navbar. What is the issue? issue here. Export for navbar. Okay, we have put this here. Put this entire thing inside the header. Yeah, now I think it will work. And let's remove this difference part because it is looking a bit weird. Backdrop blur. What happens if I remove this? Keep this. Remove the border bottom. Fine. Border. Let's remove the background color and remove this one also, how it looks. The maximum justify center. Text gray. Logout. Okay. We are getting this. It looks better here. Manshu, bro, are you doing job too alongside? No, I'm not doing any job. I was doing a job, but I left my job. Joker Phoenix, Ankit. I'm going to deploy Joker Phoenix, paste it inside return. Yeah, I did that. Okay, thanks for the thumbs up, Ankit. I'm going to deploy my Flask AI esports tournament manager within 1 week. That's great, Ankit. All the best with that. So navbar, we have put it here. This is done. Dashboard page. Fine, we got this. Front end components. Now make it for register page components, and we'll have the register form here. We'll have the register form.tsx RAFCE. Fine. And this is my pages. This is my register page here, and let's copy that entire form. Where's my form div card? This div this card. Let's copy this entire div. This div that I have, copy this thing, copy this. I'll come here, and here I'll paste it inside this. Now obviously we need to remove this. I need to import this card, UI card content, UI card content, label, not radix UI, no, from, remove this thing, import label from UI label, input from here, button from here, link from React Auto DOM. This is done. Then here I'll use the register form. Did this. Now if I go here and I go to register, nothing changed. Okay, not all of this. Register page, we don't need these things. Fine. 125, let's make it 125. Let's make it 125. Fine. This is my register form. Background. Okay, let's keep this background. Okay, register form, we got this here, and we can remove this for now. Register form. Now for components, I'll create login page components. We'll have the login form.tsx RAFCE. Madhav, bro, you are dev. You should use Arc with in NeoVim. See, yeah, people who are interested in that, they can do that. See, my goal is here to build products, build SaaS, and deploy them. You know, build my own startup. So, what I'm focused is on what will help me to build faster. That's what I'm concerned about. So that's why I use simple things that I can use and remember easily. Himanshu. But I'm really thankful for the guidance you give. I was looking for some mentor to take some good advice and I found you. Oh, welcome, Himanshu. Thanks a lot, man. I'm glad that my guidance can help you. अंकित, भाई किसी भी प्रोसेस की स्पीड ओनली रैम पे डिपेंड करती है इन केस ऑफ अ सर्वर. हाँ, एंड उसके डिस्क स्पेस में भी जैसे जो सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन मैंने डिप्लॉय किया है डिजिटल ओशन में, उसकी रैम सिर्फ 1200 MB रैम है, ठीक है. वो इजीली 100 यूजर्स हैंडल कर लेगा, बट अगर 500 यूजर्स आते हैं तो मुझे रैम की साइज़ बढ़ानी पड़ेगी. 500 MB की जगह 2 GB रैम में शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो हाँ, जैसे क्या हो रहा था ना कि 1200 MB में ना डॉकर के कंटेनर्स मुझे एक एक करके बिल्ड करने पड़ रहे थे. तो वो इसलिए हो रहा था क्योंकि रैम कम था, ठीक है. तो अगर वहीं मेरे पास 2 GB रैम था तो मैंने 3 कंटेनर्स बनाए और तीनों कंटेनर एक साथ मैं बिल्ड कर पाता. तो पहले मुझे क्या इसमें क्या करना पड़ रहा है कि पहले मैं बैकएंड का कंटेनर बिल्ड कर रहा हूँ, उसके बाद मैं इंजीनियरिंग्स का कंटेनर बिल्ड कर रहा हूँ, उसके बाद मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ ये करके. तो ये है 1200 MB रैम की वजह से, बट फ्यूचर में ज़्यादा यूज़र आते हैं मेरे सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन में तब और यूज़ करेंगे. एंड बाय द वे, सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन लिंक मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन में जो मैंने बनाया है, आप लोग वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं और मुझे फीडबैक दे सकते हैं कैसा लगा. लोकेश, ब्रो फ्रॉम टुमारो आई विल स्टार्ट माई प्रोजेक्ट वर्क मूवी सोशल. हाँ, प्रोजेक्ट के नाम इट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. ऑल द बेस्ट लोकेश, ऑल द बेस्ट मैन. So this is my login form, and if I come to my login, close this is my login form. Now if I come to my front end src pages login page, I can I'll copy this div again, same thing. We'll cut this part here, and same, we'll move this here. Inside this we'll paste it, and now we'll have move this first. This is card, UI card content, UI card content, label, UI label, input, UI input. Okay, then we have the button, UI button, then link, right link. Okay, this is done. I can remove this, and in my login page I can use login form. We did this. Now we can remove this. Fine, login page. Why are we using use client? We don't need this use client. Do we need this? Login page, register page, this is not required. And the dashboard page, this is not required, we're not using. Next, remove this. This is not required. Now first this function, remove this function in the dashboard. Remove this function, delete node, remove this. We don't need these things. Remove this, we'll make it later when we connect it with backend. Remove this thing. Done, no notes yet. Command, remove this, remove this, then on key down, remove this, this is done. We can, for now we can remove these things. This is not required now. In future when I start building, this is done. Login page, make it 125, 125, 125, 125. This is done. Fine, this is done. Login page, register page, login page, register page, login page, login page, register page, login page, dashboard page, navbar. No notes yet. Okay, and this input I can make it a component, I think. Hold on, do I need this input as a component? Yeah, okay, not now. Fine, this is fine for now. Got it. In the dashboard page we have this navbar here. Okay, so now if I come here, this is my login, this is my login, this is my register, login. Okay, now if I go to my dashboard, it looks like this, it looks like this. Log out. Fine. And tell the agent what to do. Noter, tell the agent what to do. Fine. And now let's make the 5173 slash login, create one. This I should make it a bit more aesthetic. Okay, अंकित, अभी जो मेरा प्रोजेक्ट है, it takes almost 5 minutes to generate and export the video and AI on my 8 GB RAM PC, so will be able to use low RAM server for deployment. Have you used are you using your own video generation model in your PC, Ankit? Phoenix, where can we share features, bugs for Connect Hub? You can DM me on Instagram, or in Connect Hub only you can text me. You can text me in Connect Hub only, or you can text me on Instagram. Ankit, by the way, I didn't use any API for generating video. I make my own model from zero. Oh, that's great, Ankit. That's really good that you have built your own model. That's a very big achievement, guys. I think you all should, praise Ankit, because he actually built a video generation model from scratch, and that's a very big thing. So Ankit, that's amazing. Good luck, man. And see, now in your PC it is taking 8 GB to generate, the videos. So when you deploy it on server, so minimum 8 GB of server you need, because you are going to host that model in that server, and along with the model, you will also be, you know deploying your entire web application, right? So you should at least go for more than 16 GB server, in my opinion. Himanshu, Kubernetes can help in managing containers, right? Yes, Himanshu, Kubernetes help with that. Jagdish Pathak. Hello, Jagdish. Welcome to my stream. Created own version control system as a major project. Oh, that's nice. That's a very interesting major project. Joker Phoenix. Quick tip: use Control plus D to select multiple instances of selection and edit all at once. Okay. Thanks, Joker. Leo, can we see it? Okay. Joker Phoenix. Ankit, good job. Yeah, Ankit, well done, man. You build your own video generation model. You can connect with me on Instagram, or you can share the GitHub link. I would like to check out the code also. There we go. There we go. Okay. So now let's make it a bit more better. There we go. There we go. Close it. Front end, SRC, components, register form, register form. Okay. Noter AI. Ankit, yes, I will deploy that soon. Just give some last touches. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so first let's make the input a bit bigger. Input, class name, this. P2. Not P2. PY2. py4. What the hell is wrong here? I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. Register page. Name. Yeah. भाई AI एजेंट प्रोजेक्ट कब तक खत्म होगा ये? Maybe 1 week more. Ankit. Yes, I'll deploy. Okay. Leo. Can you tell me how exactly you build the model from scratch without using APIs/AI? Okay. Name input border py4. Let's make this flex and flex and gap of 4. It's too much. I was made for loving you, baby. Okay, so we are doing this here. Yes, y of 5. What will happen if I remove this? Yes, div here and remove this, then what will happen? I make this flex and flex goal and make it gap of 1. Yes, and here we can make gap of 4. Hold on, like this, fine. Okay, for loving you, baby. Password, this button. Okay, this is done. Why actually that generates all the frames one by one, then use peg video. Ankit, imagine for writing frame sequences and okay. That's nice. And here create and enter your name, your email, enter your email, password, sign in, enter your email, password. Okay. Now create an account, sign into your workspace, dashboard, dashboard, not here, this only here. Notes, we can say your dashboard. Instead of notes, we can say dashboard here. Pages, dashboard page, your dashboard, your dashboard. We can just say dashboard. And don't use uppercase. Dashboard. Or we can say, we can just give the welcome to your dashboard. Just say your dashboard. Okay. your dashboard. No nodes, yeah, the agent to create one. Okay. Use the agent to manage your nodes. Fine, this is okay. But here in the register form, in my flex goal gap of 2 4 flex goal gap of 2, same here, flex goal gap of 2, this is also done, same here, flex goal gap of 2, same with here, remove this, flex goal gap of 2, hold on, yeah, this notar AI user account, assign it to your workspace. Okay, not dashboard, I should call it workspace. Your workspace, dashboard page, your workspace, fine, and here we'll get the notes. Okay, Lokesh B, chalo, good night bro, see you tomorrow. Good night Lokesh, and thanks for joining the stream. And just a reminder guys, if you're new to the stream and you're enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing to my channel. Fine, okay, there we go. Hold on, yeah, now in my input tag, this we are doing this. अरे यार ये साला register of 6, make it 6. 6 looks better. Sign 6, no, make it 8. Six gap of 2. Some okay. This input padding should be increased. Input padding. Input padding. EY4. Let's see how it looks. Why this padding is not getting increased? Label div input this text gray. Why? Every 8. Okay, fine. There we go. Chat. This is my code. Okay. Basically, we're using input from here. Input class name slot. Okay. This is my code. I want the I want to increase the py in input. py6. Okay, let's make it py6, py6. Okay, py6 is working. Rajesh Sahani, bro, AI, are you using ChatGPT API? Yes, Rajesh, I'm using ChatGPT API. Joker Phoenix also like the stream. Yeah, guys, listen to Joker Phoenix. If you are new to my stream and if you enjoy the stream, do consider subscribing and liking the stream. This input 6 is too much. Let's make it py4, py5, py5. Here also py5, and password also py5. Button py5, py5. We can reduce the gap. Gap 8 is too much. Gap of 5. Gap of 5. Look, wait. Gap of 5 looks better. 4. No, gap of 5 is better. Gap of 6. Yeah, gap of 6 is perfect. Gap of 6 in dashboard page, login form, gap of 6, input py5, sign in. Here also py5, sign in button, sign in button, sign in button, py5. This looks better. Create one. Okay, this is done. So UI here is off done. This button, should I make it this color or I should make it like this? Keep it like this for now. Your workspace. I'll give the command to my agent. Request will go. So basic flow will be here, from here, right? I'll give the command to the agent. Then this command will go to my backend. And processing will happen. I'll get the response. Then after this is done, I need to perform the fetch operation. Fetch operation only when this input is done. Okay, and this is we get all of this like this. Okay, so this is done. Fine. A Clash Zone, brother. What are you creating? Just asking. Clash Zone. I'm trying to build an AI agent, a note making AI agent, basically that you can just type what you're doing. Then request will go to the agent, and agent will create the note, and notes will appear. Then agent will update according to your request, and all of that. So now if I inspect here, it looks like this. It looks perfect. Fine. Okay. So, alright, everyone. For today, I'll keep it this much only. From tomorrow, we'll work on the functionality of this application. So, yeah. And if you enjoyed this stream, do consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you in the next stream. Himanshu, bro, can you tell me how you build an agent? Yeah, sure, Himanshu. Basically, what I did is I'll show you. I'll explain you the code. In my backend, this is my backend, src. So basically, controller, my request will come to this controller, right? My request will come here. Then I get the message from the request, right? And then in this, I'm calling this run agent. And run agent is basically a function that takes the user ID, logged in user ID, and the message. Then now if I go to the run agent method, here the main game is happening. First, we have created a message array. I've given the prompt that you are a node management AI. I've given the examples, rules, right? And then we are creating a loop. Basically, we are creating a 10-step function, 10-step loop. Basically, if the agent exceeds 10 steps, then it will say that okay, agent limit has exceeded. But right now, step will start from 0, right? So right now, inside this loop, I'm calling the client.chat completion from OpenAI, and I'm passing the model this messages array that we created here, right? And here, this is the main thing. We are calling the node, we are passing this tools, and I have created this node tools, right? And where am I getting this node tools from? This is the node tools. Basically, node tools is an array of objects where we describe the name of the tool. What is that? Basically, tools are functions, right? So name of the function, description, what that function does, then what are the parameters and what are the required parameters, right? So this is what happens here. And I have also created a tool executor. This tool executor, basically here, if we come to the agent, now I have given all the tools to my agent. Now this message happens, I take the messages and I pass the message to this completion, right? Then I'll get the tool calls. Basically, I'm passing this tool call, so in the response I'll get this message.tool calls, and inside this tool call I'll get, okay, LLM will decide, okay, I have to call this method now, right? So here I'll get the function, then I'm passing the argument. I'm getting the argument from the function, this tool call dot function dot arguments. If I get this, then I'll get that. Now if that is not there, then I'll get an empty object, right? Then I'm calling this executor, this tool registry. This tool registry is from this tool executor. Here I have created this tool registry part, right? Tool registry is basically an object, and inside this we have different functions, and this is create node, and create node will take argument user ID and arguments. And then I've created node service. Basically, node service is the actual method that will, access the database, use the database. And from here we have the create, search, find by content, find by search completed nodes, search incomplete nodes, and all of that. And here we are passing, because agent should not direct have the access to the DB, right? So that is why we have created a service layer in the between. In between I have created service layer, and here we are calling the functions. So here now if I go to my agent, where's my agent? Tools. Now here, this executor tool registry, here we are calling the function, and it is going inside the executor. And if there is no executor, then unknown tool has been called, right? And then inside the result, wait executor. Basically, executor is the name of the function, actual function, and we are passing the argument. Then we are just pushing that result in the message. That's it. Message.push, role, tool call, and content. That's it. And this loop is going on for 10 times. Simple. This is how we build the agents. Basically, AI agents are just LLMs. Basically, your LLM is the basic brain. It can take an input and can create text, right? So AI agent is just an LLM with access to tools, and tools are functions, basic functions. And in this case, our functions is creating data in the database, accessing data from the database, right? That's it. S. Anish, what's the difference between Next.js and Node.js? S. Anish, welcome to my stream. Basically, Node.js, Next.js uses Node.js. Node.js is a runtime environment where we use JavaScript and we run it in an environment. If we have worked with JDK, Java, we need JDK to run Java, right? Basically, similarly, for running Node, for running JavaScript in our console or in our server, we need an environment that is created by Node.js. And Next.js basically uses JavaScript only, so it needs a Node environment, right? That's it. And Next.js is a full stack framework. Clash Zone Arena. Hello, Clash Zone Arena. Welcome to my stream. Okay, brother, I got you. Also built apps with and website, but now I'm creating AI, so I'm not working on like ML. Okay. Joker Phoenix. What the user hit chat endpoint, the agent will perform the task and send the response with data to the render in the front end. Yeah. Yes, Anish. What's the difference? Okay, answered. Clash Zone Arena. but I'm in 11th and will be in 12th after 1 month. So I'm creating an women safety button agentic mode like agent AI. Will integrate it on my own. I know you didn't ask, but I just tell you in chaos. Okay, that is a very good project. Clash Zone Arena. Shubhadeep, war हो रहा है या Shubhadeep, war started. Himanshu, hello Himanshu, welcome to my stream. Oh, got it. Cool architecture. I will definitely make one project using an agent. Yeah, thank you Himanshu. Glad you liked it. Clash Zone and basically I build the whole app and publish the website cause I don't have enough capital to push the app on the Play Store. So I just build the web and put the app on that, and I just tell you I don't know. Oh, that's fine. See, that is very good. Clash Zone that at such a young age you are able to build apps. That is a very good thing. Kumar Neeraj, क्या बना रहे हो भाई? Kumar Neeraj, I'm building an note making AI agent. Basically we have built the basic front end architecture, front end design UI basically. This is my login page, this is my register form, this is my login form. Then after login we'll go to the dashboard. We'll go here in the dashboard. Hold on, let's do one thing in the app part. No, let's keep it like this only. Okay, Clash brother, you can call me Kunal. Okay Kunal, welcome to my stream. Fine, okay, I'll keep it this much for today. And here I'll push the code. Front end also I'll create a .env wheat backend URL equals http localhost 4000/API/v1, my backend URL. This is also done. And here we got anything. We need to remove this get ignore, delete this. We can delete this ref also because we got the basic code. And in get ignore, this is done, this is done, this is done. Node modules, anything. Fine, this is also done. Front end is done. Fine, okay. Now I need to install few packages like npmi axios in front end. Thanks, brother. And also, your idea is also cool. And brother, are you using PostgreSQL for DB or just simply Firebase? Clash Zone, I'm using PostgreSQL for database. Basically, this is my database, PostgreSQL. कुमार नीरज, ऑफलाइन जा रहे हो क्या अब? हाँ कुमार नीरज, अब बस ऑफलाइन जा रहा हूँ. एक बार कोड को पुश कर दूँ. SRC commit, add the commit message. Let's see what message we get. Admin application, implement, login, register, configure energy assets. Okay, no, just not these much. Created the front end UI. Okay, this is done. Commit front end UI. Okay, this much is fine. This commit, push. Kunal, oh nice, I'll meet you tomorrow cause I also have IP final exam today. So yeah, maybe take care. Good night bro. Good night Clash. Good night Kunal, and thanks for joining the stream. So there we go. Now if I go to my GitHub, this is my GitHub. Close this is my GitHub. And here my note maker got the front end. Fine, this is done, this is done. Okay, so code has been pushed. Fine. S Anish, thanks buddy. Good night. Good night S Anish. Himanshu, good night bhaiya, I'll see you tomorrow. Good night Himanshu, and thanks for joining the stream. Thanks for joining the stream Anish also. Alright guys, I'll wrap up now. I hope you enjoyed the stream, and if you enjoyed, do consider subscribing to this stream, and I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, take care of yourself and keep learning and keep becoming the best